FC01 X-12PM Face ID Repair Without Power Supply Operation Guide. Integrated Non-Removal Face ID RNW Activation Adapter Operation with External Power Supply. The fast charger used for adapter power supply. It must be fast charger of 9V2A input-output. True depth camera is detected to be problematic. Face ID deactivated. Connect the device to computer. Connect the device to power supply. Connect mobile phone to computer. Click Trust on mobile phone. Face unbound. The lattice has been unbound, is prompted by platform. Data will be saved to cloud automatically. Take out the Face ID. Buckle it on corresponding position. Chip damaged will be displayed by automatic detection of the platform. Click Active Repair. To activate Face ID, it is necessary to connect mobile phone to platform and connect genuine Face ID. Active power supply. Network is good. Click Activate. After it displays that activation is successful. Take out the original Face ID. Buckle AS tag on Face ID Repair FPC on corresponding position. Brand new AS Face ID FPC will be identified by platform automatically. Click Cloud Burn. After data recording is completed, install tag on Face ID Repair FPC on Face ID. The installation method of X series FPC is identical. After buckling the FPC, fold the FPC buckle backward by 180 degree. Then fold the FPC forward by 90 degree. Buckle the Face ID whose FPC is well installed on corresponding position. The function of FPC is displayed as normal by automatic detection of platform. Presentation after installation. Boot up the phone. Start to record Face ID. Face ID is recorded normally. Repair is done.